71.36 square feet we have to convert to square meters. We're supposed to use another conversion factor which says 1 square foot is equal 0.0929 square meters. Rewrite this problem. 71.36 square feet. We have to convert this to square meters. In order to eliminate square feet, I have to make sure that I'm going to have square feet in the denominator of this fraction. 1 square feet is equal 0.0929 square meter. Feet and foot will cancel out, and I'm going to have simply 71.36 times 0.0929 square meters. This is equal, use the calculator, 6.629 square meters. So 71.36 square feet is equal to 6.629 square meters. This is the solution to my problem.